What's up, guys? It's NEESYRAYCHELLE and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is about this good old skin here. Like y'all can see already in the description. But I will be doing my 1 month review on Good Molecule skin products. So first I'm going to tell you all the products that they sent me because it's been a month, and if you have not seen the first video, I will link that down below as well so that you can go ahead and check that out. So the first product they sent me was the Clarifying Cleanse Bar, and this particular bar is supposed to detoxify the skin. So like any impurities that you may have in your skin, it is supposed to go ahead and remove those. So the first product that I have is the Clarifying Cleanse Bar, and it is a detoxifying bar which is supposed to clarify your skin and leave it clear and even, never tight, irritated, or dry. And so that looks like this. And so you can use this day and night, and that is when I use that particular product. The other product they sent me was the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This toner is to even your skin tone and reduce the appearance of enlarged pores. And we're gonna get into the product, y'all, but that's what the purpose of that product was. This is what it looks like. And last but not least, I did get the discoloration correcting serum, and this was supposed to improve the appearance of age spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and any sun damage that you may have had. And that looks like this. So those were the 3 products that I was sent a month ago. And now let's get into how I feel about those products, how I feel they worked on my skin. Do I see a difference in my skin? And all of that good stuff. So I did come barefaced because I wanted you all to see my skin for what it is. No makeup, no filter, just my skin. So of course I did use the product this morning, and I have been using it morning and night for the last month. So far the pros that I have for this product is the glow. So as you can see, girl, my skin is glowing. And my skin has been glowing since I've used this product. It appears more brighter. I just feel like my skin is showing, I don't know, like my skin don't ever look like this. I just look brighter in my opinion. So of course I'll put like before and after pictures in the end of the video, and of course it'll probably most likely be my thumbnail, but in my opinion, my skin does look brighter. My under eye doesn't look as dark as it was. And yeah, so I do believe that the product has brightened my skin. My skin is softer. It's not textured. So when I started using this product or these products, my skin was so freaking textured, and I just could not figure out what the heck to do. So like I said, I've been using the product for a month now, and the texture is gone. Like, of course I'm getting like my regular like hormonal breakouts and whatnot, stress breakouts, but as far as the texture of my skin, it's definitely a lot smoother, which leads me into my last point that I want to make about the product. I do believe this is good for daily skincare. So when I say good for daily skincare, I feel like if you've already have like pretty much clear skin and you have maybe a couple blemishes here and there, or like me, you only break out around your cycle and whatnot, then cool, like this product, you can use it and it'll work well for you. But then this leads into my cons. For me personally, in the month that I have used the product, it did not really help with my breakouts. And like I said, I had both hormonal and stress breakouts. As you can see, my forehead still looks like crap. And the dark spots from the acne did not disappear either. So these spots here are the same spots that have been on my forehead since I started using this product. And I do understand that this is not a lightener, it is just a brightener, so it's supposed to help diminish the appearance of them, not make them go away. So I would not recommend them for that reason, if that's what you're looking for. So if you're looking for something to make them completely go away, this is not the product for you. But like I said, the darkness under my eyes has diminished greatly. I just still have these darker spots on my forehead that I'm working on, so you know, that's still there. But overall, I do love this product. So like when my skin clears back up to where I want it to be, like where I'm used to my skin being, no dark marks, like no breakouts and stuff, then I definitely will use this product for daily use. So in my opinion, if you have clear skin, you don't have any breakouts, like your skin is just popping, definitely these products are going to be good for you. They are for all skin types, so you can get away with using all of this stuff and not be excessively oily or excessively dry. Like, it's perfect for that. But I'm not sure what other products they have, because these are the 3 that were sent to me and these are the ones that I've used. So I'm not sure if they have anything catered specifically for acne. But based on the products that I was sent and how I use them, these are my opinions based solely on that, not anything else that the company may have. So would I recommend the product? Yes, I would. Will I continue to use the product? Yes, I will, because at the end of the day, they're great products. They do what they're supposed to do, I should say. So that is that on that. I don't have anything else for this video. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update, because I did say I was going to give you a month, so I gave you a week update, and now this is your month update. And once I get my skin to where I want it, I will definitely come back and give a final update on like the product in general. And if I do find that they have products geared towards acne prone skin and like lightening dark marks, I will let y'all know first. Like, y'all will find out. So that is it for my video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Like, don't forget to do that part. It's okay if you just watch the video, but when you subscribe, you know more and you see more. So don't forget to do that, and I will see you all in the next one.